How to fix the error performing query on Facebook. Let's get started. First up, what you have to do is refresh the page. Refresh the page or close and reopen the app. Then you can check your internet connection. For that, you can launch your settings, enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh the network. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, update the Facebook app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in the app name Facebook and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, launch your Facebook, navigate to the menu page, scroll down, click on Logout, click on Logout. After you log out of your account, wait for a few minutes and then log it back. Next, check the server status of the Facebook. For that, you can head towards the website like Town Detector and check the server status of Facebook. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, adjust permissions for the Facebook. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option apps, head towards the app Facebook. Make sure you have given all the permissions. If this solution doesn't work for you, launch your Facebook, navigate to the menu page, click on the settings icon. Scroll down, click on the option Help and Support, click on the option Report a Problem, click on Continue to Report, click on Don't Include. Now from this list, select the option Other. Now here you have to briefly explain about your issue and send it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix the error performing query on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.